Welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I wanted to share with you what we ended up doing for my son's 5th birthday as a minimalist family. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap the bell to never miss a video. I make videos about becoming more minimal and simple living. I'm just gonna jump right in and start with gifts. As a family that has been trying to declutter and minimize their lives, the last thing I really wanted to do was bring a whole bunch of toys and things back into our home. We've been trying really hard to only keep the things that the children love to play with and can learn from. So that was a real deciding factor in what we were going to buy Emmett for his birthday. One really funny thing is I actually asked Emmett what he wanted for his birthday and he had no idea. He just said, I want a, and then he just was quiet and he really had no clue. The fact that he had no clue what he wanted was a good sign to me, which meant he wasn't going to be disappointed if he didn't get a whole bunch of toys. One thing I really like to do is pay attention to what they are really enjoying at the moment. And for Emmett right now, he is super into coloring and being creative. And I came across this book. I know it looks a little girly, but it's really not once you open it. And it's just a big coloring pad and it has everything in there, cars and all kinds of stuff. It's kind of unfortunate that a lot of this stuff is geared toward girls with the pink because it's something that boys like as well, but it came with a bunch of stickers and he's just so into coloring. And I see he did this one already of the dolphins and he absolutely loved this gift. And it's something that he can use, and once it's used up, we don't have to store it in our home. And he was really excited to get this, so he was not disappointed in any way that he did not get a toy from us. Another thing I keep in mind when I'm deciding on a gift is I know that grandparents and friends and family will probably be getting him gifts as well. So that's another reason why I don't feel we need to get him a whole bunch of stuff, because he's going to be getting more things from other family members. Going on the theme of art that he's into right now, my mom got him a watercolor pad of paper, some brushes, and some watercolors. And we're just trying to foster his sense of creativity that he has right now and really focus on what his interest is at this moment. His granddad from New Zealand sent a really nice book and a few fun little trinkets that are downstairs right now. And the other big gift was from his Nana in Australia, and it was a 3-in-1 Lego set. And I love Lego for kids, especially if they're into it. Emmett loves building, breaking it down, and building it again. So this was the perfect thing. The first thing he did was he built the van and then immediately broke it down and built the next thing. So that was an indicator that the gift was just perfect for him, perfect for his age. He was able to build it all on his own. I love Lego as a gift. It's not really a toy, but once they build the object, they can play with it, break it down, and build something else. They're also learning as they read the directions and follow step by step on how to build something on their own. So what did we do to celebrate his birthday? My husband and I had a big discussion about whether we would have a party or have an experience going and doing something. Since we weren't getting him a lot of gifts, we wanted to find something that would be an experience and something that would be really fun for someone his age. We discussed going to Disneyland, and that is right around the corner from our house, probably 20 minutes away, but we have not been yet, and the reasoning is it is extremely expensive. We added up what it would cost for one day at Disneyland for a family of 4, and it comes out to around $500 to $600, and that's not including food or anything like that. That's just tickets and parking and getting there and all that kind of stuff. So for us, it was just not in the cards. I feel that $600 or more would be better spent going on a family vacation or just spent on things that we really need. What we ended up doing was taking Emmett out for a special pizza lunch, followed by a frozen yogurt, and then we went to the Discovery Cube, which is a children's museum that is really fun for the kids to go and learn from, play and run around. After that fun day out, we came home and had a homemade cake, which turned out a little crazy, but still tasted delicious. And I'm not against really large parties. I think they're super fun. This year for our family, it worked out better to treat Emmett to a fun experience, a fun-filled day, and to have a smaller party here with just his mom, dad, grandma, and his brother. The fact that Emmett was so happy with the few gifts he got really set it in stone that it's okay to not feel that I have to buy him 1,000 presents and do a huge party to make him happy. He was super excited with the items he did receive, and I feel he even enjoyed them more and spent more time with each item than if we had got him a whole bunch of gifts. I'll try to find links to everything that we got him, and I'll put it down in the description box below. Also, leave me a comment and let me know how you like to celebrate birthdays. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap the bell to never miss a video. I make videos about becoming more minimal and simple living. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.